Hello, Internet. Happy Halloween! This year, I wanted to toy around with some computer vision using OpenCV and Dlib to track my face against a 3D model of a jack-o'-lantern. And for the most part, I'm pretty happy with how well it responds, considering I'm just using mostly out-of-the-box detectors from Dlib. And you can see that I'm able to track my position in 3D space and my rotation. And really, I'm not doing a lot of work to optimize this, but it feels pretty quick, even with a few different faces on the screen, which I'll show in a few moments. And I honestly had higher hopes for how far I'd be able to get before Halloween. I wanted to also map the facial expressions, like the position of the mouth against the jack-o'-lantern. And I'll show a few of my experiments with that as well as I upload the source code to my GitHub and hopefully a little blog post about how to go through this from beginning to end so you can get a good feel for extracting the facial orientation for your own applications. So, wish everyone a happy Halloween and have fun building real or virtual pumpkins.